Have you ever looked at your Wealthsimple account and wondered, how many tax returns can I actually file with this thing? I mean, it's a great platform for investing, but can it handle the complexities of your tax life? Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's clarify what we mean by returns. Are we talking about tax returns, or are we talking about investment returns? Because while Wealthsimple can definitely give you a breakdown of your investment performance, we're focusing on tax returns here. So, can you file your taxes with Wealthsimple? Well, not directly. Wealthsimple is primarily an investment platform. It provides tools to help you manage your investments, but it doesn't offer tax filing services. Think of it as a really good chef who can cook you an amazing meal, but can't clean up the kitchen afterwards. But don't despair, tax-loving friends. Wealthsimple does offer some features that can make tax time a little less painful. For example, you can generate a tax slip, or T5, which outlines your investment income for the year. This document is crucial when filing your taxes, as it provides essential information to the taxman about how much you made from your investments. Now, you might be wondering, if Wealthsimple doesn't file my taxes, what do I do with that T5? Well, that's where your trusty tax software or accountant comes in. They'll take that T5, along with other financial documents, and input the information into your tax return. But wait, there's more. Wealthsimple also offers a feature called tax loss harvesting. Now, this isn't about filing your taxes, but it can significantly impact them. Essentially, tax loss harvesting is a strategy where you sell investments that have lost value to offset capital gains from investments that have increased in value. This can potentially reduce your overall taxable income. It's important to note that tax loss harvesting is a complex strategy and should be considered carefully. There are specific rules and regulations around it, so it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional before diving in. So, to recap, Wealthsimple is great for investing, but it doesn't directly file your taxes. However, it provides tools like T5 generation and tax loss harvesting that can help simplify the tax process. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's all well and good, but what about those other returns? Like, returns on my investments? Fair question. Wealthsimple offers a variety of performance metrics to help you track your investments. You can see your overall portfolio performance, the performance of individual investments, and even compare your returns to relevant benchmarks. But remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. Investments involve risk, and the value of your investments can go down as well as up. So, while Wealthsimple can't predict the future, it can certainly help you understand your investment journey. And that knowledge is power, right? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.